Matrix A is row wise 1, 0, 0, iota minus 1 plus iota root cube upon 2, 0, and last row is 0, 1 plus 2 iota, and last entry is minus 1 minus iota root cube root 3 upon 2. Then the trace of a raised to the power 102. It means if anyhow we can find the eigenvalues of a, then we can easily find out eigenvalue of a raised to the power 102 by the theorem. If lambda I are eigenvalues of a, then lambda I raised to the power n will be eigenvalue of a raised to the power n. We will use this concept. We know if lambda i's are eigenvalues of a, then lambda I raised to the power n will be eigenvalues of a raised to the power n. We will use this theorem to find out the eigenvalues of a raised to the power 102, and sum of all eigenvalues known as trace. That is, my motive is to find out the eigenvalues of a. Now a is triangular matrix, or more precisely lower triangular matrix. So its diagonal element will be eigenvalue. Its diagonal elements are 1 minus 1 plus iota root 3 divided by 2 minus 1 minus of iota root 3 divided 2. These are known as cube root of unity. It means omega cube equal to 1, and if you solve this equation, omega minus 1 and quadratic equation here equal to 0, then you can find easily. So this is omega, value of omega, and if you square this one, then you will get this entry. It means omega square. It means 1 omega square are eigen values of a. That is 1 raised to the power 102 will be first eigenvalue of a raised to the power 102. Omega raised to the power 102 will be second eigenvalue of 102, and omega square raised to the power 102 will be eigenvalue of a raised to the power 102. Now 1 raised to the power 102 is equal to 1 omega raised to the power 102, because we know omega cube equal to 1. So resolve this power 102 in with factor 3. It means 3 3 is a 9 and 34. So you can write omega cube raised to the power 34 equal to 1, because omega cube is 1. 1 raised to the power 34 is equal to 1, and last one is omega square raised to the power 102. We know omega cube equal to 1. It means omega 6 is equal to 1. Resolve this. It can be written as omega square cube raised to the power 34 is equal to 1 raised to the power 34, and it is also equal to 1. It means all eigenvalues of all lambda i's raised to the power 1, 0, 2 is 1, 1, 1. So trace is sum of all these is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So option D is right here.